In this video, you're gonna learn how to make your own animation and have it play within a loop. And while it plays within the loop, you can also have it apply within your character. And depending how many likes we get, I might even make a whole series on animations and how to animate better, as well as different type of animations and such like that. But with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now, once you go ahead and load up your own place, first thing you want to do is go ahead and grab your rig. To do that, go up to Avatar on the top, click the panel, go to Rig Builder, and click R15 or R6. Whatever it is, just grab your rig. This can even be custom rigs that you made off of 3D software like Blender and Maya. But in this case, we're going to use R6, a block type. So let's go ahead and input that. Then in here, the same panel in Avatar, go ahead and click Animation Editor. Now, once you grab the animation editor, click on the rig and name your animation. This, we're just gonna call it testing. And then from here, we're just gonna go ahead and just animate our rig. Now that you have your animation that you want, we're gonna go ahead and upload it to Roblox. So first, we're gonna stop the animation, click the three dots, and click Publish to Roblox. From here, we're gonna name the animation Testing Running. And then creator, make sure it's under me. In that case, it's gonna be under you, the viewer that's watching. But if you wanna upload it to a group so other people in studios that you're working with can see it, then be sure to upload it within that group. But in this case, we're going to keep it under me as creator. Next, click Save, and then copy the ID of the animation. Now that we have the animation ID, we're going to go ahead and close off the animation editor by clicking it again, or just press X. Then you're going to go to that rig and insert an animation. From there, inside the animation, go to the animation ID and paste the ID that you have been given from your animation. Now, we're gonna insert a script inside this rig, and then we're gonna type out the code that we need for the animation to play. So, for this animation to play, we need to get the humanoid of this rig. So, local hum equals script dot parent dot humanoid. Next, we're gonna get the animation. So let's go animation equals script dot parent dot animation. Animation. Now we're gonna apply this animation onto the character. So local anim track equals hum colon load animation, and then it's going to be animation inside that. Now we're just going to have a while loop that's continuing to play the animation forever and forever in this case. So we're going to do while, first we're going to have a debounce. Local db equals false. We're going to have a while wait loop, so while task dot wait 1 do. We're now gonna make if db equals false, then db equals true. We're gonna have animation track, anim track colon play. So right under this is going to make the animation play. Under that, we're gonna have it whenever the animation stops, the debounce go back to false. So anim track dot stop colon connect function. Right when it stops, we're gonna make db equals true. Now, if we go ahead and play the game, you notice that rig will continue to play the animation that we made. Right. If this video helped you understand animation better, please comment below on if you like a more in-depth series of animation track, how to use it in scripts, how to make your own animation and apply it to your character, or anything along the lines. Just comment down below and I'll be sure to answer all your comments. But other than that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Let's see how fast we can hit 1,000 subscribers of this time in this video. And hit the like, help me in the algorithm. But other than that, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.